how to check liked post on Instagram. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can check your liked posts on Instagram. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, open up the Instagram app on your phone. Next, click on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. And once in your profile, click on the three lines in the top right hand corner, and then followed by your activity. On this screen, click on interactions, and then on the next menu you can click on likes, and this will show you all of the posts that you've liked on Instagram. By default they're sorted by newest to oldest, but you can click on sort and filter. You can sort by oldest to newest, you can sort by the author if you would like, start date, end date, lots of different filters you can use. And that's all it takes to check like posts on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.